There are multiple versions of Marvel Spider-Man, from the Sony Spider-Man to the present MCU Spider-Man. Also, don't forget about the 80s Spider-Man series. Hundreds of cartoons, video games, and loosely adapted Japanese version too.
Look at Spider-Man.
My sincere apologies for all the bad dreams that you're gonna get and destroying your childhood hero. However, there has always been an age-old argument on which adaptation of Spider-Man is the best. Some say it's the Tobey Maguire's version, while some believe it's the present MCU. Both are basically very close Marvel comic adaptation. However, as per my opinion, it's none of the above. Hello everyone, my name is Sar and welcome to Analysis on Wheels, where I will once and for all prove that India's very own Deshi Spider-Man is the best Spider-Man movie of all time. Keep an open mind and watch the video. Welcome Shyam, the main protagonist for Desi Spider-Man. Also that one village retard. Oh, I meant specially abled and a tutla. What? Which is much better than being a nerd.
Someone, please.
0.23 electron volts.
Also, he is very confident and straightforward when it comes to expressing his love.
नहीं दरअसल राधा, मैं तुमसे कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ।
तो कहो ना।
मैं तुमसे बहुत प्यार करता हूँ राधा।
मैं भी तुमसे बहुत प्यार करती हूँ। अच्छा श्याम, तुम्हें सबसे अच्छा कौन लगता है?
राधा, जो मुझे टॉफी भी देती है और मुझसे बातें भी करती है।
On the other hand,
Do you love me or not?
next is Spider-Man's love interest Mary Jane and her Desi Spider-Man counterpart Radha. Not only Radha is 121.4 times hotter than any Mary Jane, she has a big heart too, looking after and caring for the village retard.
श्याम,
हाँ राधा,
मेरे साथ चलोगे?
कहाँ चलना है?
चलो खेतों पर घूम के आते हैं।
पहले मुझे टॉफी दिलवाओ तब चलूंगा।
ठीक है, मैं तुम्हें आते वक्त टॉफी दिलवाऊंगी।
And also getting wet. What about acting? What do you mean? When did actresses started getting hired for acting in India? Last but not the least, Aunt May, whose counterpart is the mother of Desi Spider-Man, who is much more sweeter and caring character than Aunt May.
सारे तना हमारा जीना हराम कर रखा बेईमान
Press like right now for respect, else she's coming for you. Desi Spider-Man actually got its international fame and recognition for its iconic song.
Spider-Man, तूने चुराया मेरे दिल का चैन।
Sung in two different scales.
छेड़ के मुझको जाती है, तेरी तारीफ लिख जो सके।
Which even made MCU Spider-Man footloose.
दिल का चैन, देख के तेरे करतब यारा, मैं तो बन गई तेरी पे।
Making Desi Spider-Man clear winner when it comes to film score. Also, Marvel Spider-Man stands no chance when it comes to dance off. Hit it, boys!
Remember, with great power comes great responsibility.
Yeah, blah blah blah, responsible. Now let's check out Desi Spider-Man over the top dialogues.
ताऊ जी, इधर आइए। ताऊ जी, ये रहा आपका सारा सामान। वो भाग गए सब।
अरे अन्नू, जो तुम स्पाइडरमैन होते तो तुम क्या करते? सबसे पहले तो मैं मास्टरों की खबर लेता, जो खुद तो पढ़ाते नहीं और बच्चों को पीटते हैं। ईशा, तुम क्या करती? मैं बच्चे को टॉफी देती।
Every action movie needs some comic relief from all the sweaty action and drama. Well, the Marvel Spider-Man is a joke in itself, but the Desi Spider-Man has just the right quantity of superbly placed jokes that will crack anyone up.
सरपंच जी, मैं तो अपनी घरवाली से बहुत दुखी था और वो घरवाली को तो वहीं छोड़ गए और मेरी सबसे प्यारी सिंगारदानी थी उसे ले गए।
अब मेरे दादा की सुन,
एक बार मेरे दादाजी छत पे रखी सिंटेक्स की टंकी में कूदे। अच्छा, कहाँ जाकर निकले पता है? कहाँ? हमारे घर की टुट्टी में।
Yes, that is true. Desi Spider-Man doesn't have any spider-related abilities, as he was granted Vardhan by a Baba. Unlike getting bit by a genetically enhanced spider, whatever, like that can ever happen in real world. In India, we get Vardhans by Baba all the freaking time. Anyways, here are some of Desi Spider-Man's abilities that make him the better version of them all. Gully martial art. Force field around his hands and legs. Teleportation. Chiropractor. Time control. And last but not the least, drying clothes. Well, the Marvel Spider-Man has some of the most CGI-heavy, unrealistic, bland supervillains that are still able to beat the crap out of Spider-Man. On the other hand, the Desi Spider-Man uses his powers to fight real worldly villains and issues like Dakus.
जाओ, लूट लो सारे गांव को। सरदार, हमें जाना पड़ेगा।
Molesters.
छोड़ दो इसे। दोनों का आपस में अंदर जाता है। मारो साले।
Anti-environmentalist.
सालों तुम्हें मुंह लगे थे तो पानी की कितनी कीमत है? बूंद बूंद कीमती है। और इसे बखेरते भिड़ो। सालों मैं पत्र पे पानी गिराने करूँगा।
And even ISIS.
कल इस देश में इतने धमाके होंगे, हमारा आका खुश हो जाएगा।
Yes, Marvel's Spider-Man got some of the best cameos, and yes, we all love to wait for Stan Lee's appearance. But there's one cameo from Desi Spider-Man that won our heart too. One and only, creator of DSU, the bigger B, Mrs. Bass. Great! Now it's 0.1 million percentage tan theta proven. Desi Spider-Man is indeed the best Spider-Man movie of all time. If you believe the same, then do press the like button, comment your favorite part from the movie, and share it with your family and friends. Also do subscribe and press the bell icon to get a special Vardhan from Sar Baba, and do check out my second channel if interested in watching me play video games live. Woo! That's all for now. See you all in my next video.